Hey little chefs, it's time to play in the kitchen every day with chop and stir and bubble delight. Let's cook something super bright. Splish and splash, scrub your hands. Clean up first before food lands. Rub-a-dub-dub, give germs a chase. Now we're ready. Kitchen space. Cut the onion, chop the pea. Slice tomatoes carefully on the board with knife so fine. And don't forget to subscribe online. Chop those greens with leafy cheer. Grate the ginger, yum is near. Watch the fingers, don't go fast. We're making flavor sure to last. Whisk the eggs till fluffy light. Mix the batter left and right. Use the spoon or use a spatula. Kitchen magic spectacular. Sizzle, sizzle in the pan. Flip it, stir it, yes you can. Veggies dance, oil pops. Don't stop now, we're cooking non-stop. Bubbling in a pot so blue. Add some salt and spices too. Wooden spoon goes round and round. Steam goes up with a whistling sound. Close the lid and wait for steam. Pressure makes the pulses beam. Hiss goes the sound like a train. The meal cooks fast again and again. Wash the veggies under the tap. Cucumber slice, no time to nap. Lettuce, tomato, all in the bowl. Toss it gently, that's the goal. Squeeze a lemon, grate some zest. Add some magic, taste the best. Sprinkle spice with clever flair. Mix it all with kitchen care. Tomatoes roast, lids go clack. Cooking slowly, not too fast. Golden curry or tasty rice. Subscribe now, it's fun and nice. Mash the curry, give it a stir. Add the dal and mix with whir. Scoop it nicely in a bowl. Garnish fresh, it's on a roll. Minty leaves and veggie ring. Make the plate a happy thing. Food looks great, oh what a dish. Come true, our cooking wish. We chopped, we stirred, we boiled with flair. Now food is ready with love and care. Come back soon for more surprise. Subscribe for more fun and wise. Every week a yummy treat with songs and rhymes that can't be beat.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the video? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can learn along too. Bye-bye! See you soon on PoPoBuzz.